Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you how to use the ARC indicator, alright, the ARC indicator. Now, unfortunately, this particular indicator is going for $249 on the MQL5 marketplace. It is not free. All right, and then there is a rent aspect of it, $50 per month, but that is on the MQL5 marketplace. Okay, this indicator has a free demo which you can try out in order to be sure that it aligns with your expectations, your trading expectations, right? So basically, this indicator is based on free algorithms, as you can see here in the description: the analytical, which determines optimal entry points, and an exit algorithm. Okay, it works for both buying and selling, making it well suited for the forex market. Now, this is how the indicator looks like, right? You can see that the indicator gives you precise, you know, um, points of interest, right? You can see that this indicator shows you important points that you can consider when you want to execute a trade. And then you can see that it also shows you, some pip differences, additional pips, some gains, from the point that it was given a signal to the potential target point. You can see the addition of certain number of pips here, plus 5809, here plus 2359, here plus 2829, here plus 8689, and so on and so forth. Okay, so like I said, if you want to make use of this indicator, ensure that you test it on the demo first, the free demo. Ensure that you use the free demo version first before making any sort of financial commitment. Now, you can see that here, based on the features outlined, it has a minimal mode, which is suitable for scalping, the normal mode, which increases risk but also raises the number of successful trades according to the description. And then you can see that you can modify the color theme. You can, modify the stop loss size settings, the step, the %1, %2, the period, the %3, and the K, which is the coefficient that has the greatest influence on the exit algorithm. All right. So this is it for this indicator, guys. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now so that you don't miss out on more information on trading strategies, indicators, expert advisors, and so on and so forth. If you are a trader, you need to subscribe to this channel so that you get a lot of free information about the forex market. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Cheers.